Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost controls. So these would be right here. So this is your front. When it's lit up, it's activated, and when this is lit up, the rear is activated. So your front ones, they're actually, now that it's on, are controlled by your fan. So basically, as you adjust the fan now, that's going to determine how fast the air blows out of the front here, and then your temperature as well. So you can make the fan go faster or lower, make it go hot or cooler. And then often you may want the AC on as well, even if you've got it hot, just because that AC can pull moisture out of the air and that can keep it from fogging up so much on the glass. And when you're finished with all this, it is this symbol though, so you can have it also blowing on, say, your feet and on the windshield, or choose between all your settings here. But when it's turned off here, then it's turned off from that front defrost. And then the rear defrost, it's activated right now. And the way the rear works, if you can see in the camera, maybe you can't, but there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So those are on right now, so they would start warming up to melt any ice that might be building up. And when you're finished with that, you can just turn that off as well. And you can always turn the fan all the way off too, to lower or turn off the front. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.